Hi YouTube, this is Jamil and welcome to my channel. In this video tutorial with how to blend text into cloud in Photoshop. Please subscribe 3BST Blend and press the bell icon to get free update. Let's start. This image link in description. Go to text tool and write text. For example, text. Increase the size of text. Free transform, press Ctrl T and increase the size by holding Shift. So now go to add layer style, blending option, and blend if select gray and underlining layer and check this here. This is not smooth, so for smooth click hold alt and click the icon. Now that's it. Now you can see smooth cloud. That's it. Press OK. You see we blend text into clouds in Photoshop. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.